Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to do a video. I hadn't done a video in forever. Got a little going to the track today, taking the car, see what it's going to do. Haven't had it to the track since I had turbo put on it, so we're going to take it and see what it's going to do. Anyway, see what happens.
Alright everybody, welcome to the first daytime power street event. We're very happy to be out here on Saturday afternoon. Weather's looking good. We're getting ready to fire up the track. Now we've got a little change today. We had to make the light there in. The filters aren't going to work. So we have the tree working, and you can get a time slip up here by Teardrop Lane. So if you want a time slip, you can have your representative or your son step up here and get a time slip for the EMP. So we're not Please get on your social media. Let everybody know that you're out here at Piedmont Dragway for the Triad Street Scene. Tell everybody come on out. We're out here. We're going to be running all afternoon. Track's open. We got a little booth with the tires with the scoreboards. So we're going to be out here and we're going to race. It's already started, so we got the super out here, so they'll give the police car 3 car lengths, but I don't know. I think that's being a little stingy. I don't think the super's being very generous with that. If you just got here and you want your time slip, come on up by the timing tower right here at Teardrop Lane. Gentleman up here has got the time tickets in his hand. They're printing them out for you. Just give me your card number. Come on up here and get your time ticket from him. So your turbo cars leave kind of soft and they bring in the power later on, and that's exactly what you need.